everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved the full bling nail in this set. Don't worry, I did a video on this whole set from beginning to end, but I wanted to make a separate video about this nail, just pull it out because it was like 9-10 minutes and I just thought y'all would appreciate me getting you out some content sooner, but I will be having the rest of the set up. It's simple. I know some of you guys get mad at me for saying that, but it's just encapsulated decals, okay? So we'll go over more of the concept in the video. I got the snake decals. I got these stones. These are rose peach or peach rose, shimmer, Swarovski crystals. These are all size 9s. And these are gold beads. If you've seen another video, I had to drill into the top. I need to order some more. So these are two colors that are very similar, and I have a hard time telling them apart. One of them is light rose shimmer. One of them is a rose peach shimmer. And they only look slightly different. And then I don't know. So I was trying to figure out which one was which. So I'm using the jewelry gel in a tube, the Stay Put jelly from Daily Charm. Of course, you can use code Tabytha10 for a discount when you purchase from them. I'm putting a surplus of this crystal gel on the nail. Now, what you notice is that we started off with a correlating base for the stones. It is not exactly what the stones are, but this glitter is very similar. Now, this is an encapsulated hard gel glitter. But that doesn't have to be. It could be a gel polish. I do recommend something that is, glittery or sparkly. And that's for the gaps in the stones. When you have the gaps, you want something to show through that's going to sparkle to make it feel like the whole nail is full of stones and bling and sparkle. So by doing that, a coordinating glitter color, you'll achieve those results. So I was painting the pinky because I did not feel the tone of these stones matched when I grouped them all together. And this happens all the time. You get stones on it, it's not the same. So I was like, I need to pull a pink because it was way too orange looking. That peach in it was just really showing up. So I'm pulling different pink stones, trying to see what has the undertone of those snake decals. It's more of like a dusty rose. So I decided to go with these stones. These are light rose Swarovski crystals. So I'm just moving around the stones you see me place. And I'm placing these, if you didn't notice, like a brick pattern. I put a straight line down the middle and I'm going in between the spaces and putting more stones. And I didn't mention I'm using my crystal katana from Crystal Ninja. It's amazing. So I'm just adding more product where I need it. I'm moving those stones that I laid down. I'm kind of scooting them out the way and putting some pink ones. And I didn't use many. I mean, I don't want to sit here and count, but probably total there's like 7 in here or something. So it was just enough to add that pink tone. It was like almost the exact pink tone that was in the decals, and it just really brought it together. Hopefully you'll see what I mean. If you kind of rewind it, you'll see before I added the pink, it just really drew more peach. I love these stones, and I think they do overall go with the decals. I'll call them stickers, just the stickers. But it just, in certain lighting, like you'll see it just pulls so much more orange. So, but it does have blue tones and other colors that the decals have. So definitely mixing the two was the answer for me. So I'm just fitting these stones in where they go. Now, my biggest tip with full bling nails is to make sure your silhouette of your nail is the shape you need it to be. So I'm constantly looking straight forward to make sure this still looks like a reasonable coffin shape. This doesn't look too bulky. I mean, you will bulk it up some, and that's where I do suggest maybe you shape your nail a little bit more narrow than you would, so that when you add these stones, you bulk it back up and it looks like it belongs with the other ones. I could have probably taken this in a little more. It looks a little more bulky than I would like, but I'm telling you what to do to resolve it. But you see me adding beads in between this. I really thought it would be cute. I don't know why with the snake theme I thought this needed beads in order to go. I mean, I don't know, it doesn't read snake to me. I don't know, it makes sense in my head, like beads with the bling equals snake. I don't know why, but I don't know. Here we are. So I'm just pressing these stones in between, just randomly in the gaps of these crystals. Like, we put an excess of that Stay Put jelly, so it's squeezing in between those crevices of the stones, and we're just sinking them in there, scattered until it gets the look that I want. And I'm just going to press those in. Now, we don't ever want the crystal gel on top of the stones. You want it surrounding the lip of the stones, the very edge. That's what you want. And when we cure it, it's going to all seal in. Now, you see me, the clip before this, I was pressing in the stones. I want to make sure the silhouette of my shape is right. So make sure it's in a coffin shape, an almond shape, stiletto, whatever it is. Make sure you press those stones in so that when you look at the nail, don't even consider what the sides look like. Sometimes you're going to be missing stones on the side. In order to get that silhouette you want, that's fine. That's why we have a coordinating glitter. That's why it's important to have a coordinating color. You can do a solid color, but I just, it's not the same, in my opinion, because you want that shimmer. You want it to look like bling does not stop, whether it's glitter, stones, whatever it is. Yeah. So I'm going over the top of the beads with the top coat, and then I sealed around the edges of the stones and in between the gaps, never on top of the stones, never on top of the stones, never on top of the stones. And then I cured, and then that is it. That is the full bling nail, short, sweet video. Again, I will have the whole rest of the setup here probably I'm hoping in a couple of days. I'm trying to get this content out to you guys. So thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you love this set. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to follow my new channel on YouTube, The Magnetics. Meet the Magnetics is the channel with my love. I'll have a link down below to that as well. And any coupon codes, discounts will also be down below. So thank you guys for watching. Yeah, thumbs up, subscribe, be kind, wear a mask, respect your neighbor. All right, you guys. Bye.